Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the AiEMOJI token. Now this token is being listed June 9th, 14 hours UTC time on a big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So in a few days, the AiEMOJI token will be listed on a big exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AiEMOJI, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. So June 9th, 14 hours UTC time, it will be available. Now, if you want to find information about the AiEMOJI token, they have a webpage, AIEMOJI.top. This is on the ARBITRUM blockchain. This token, they have a total supply here of that is 210 trillion tokens. They also have a Twitter at AiEMOJI ARB. They have a Discord channel you could find on their webpage, and they also have a full white paper that you could find at AIEMOJI.gitbook.io/white-paper. So according to their ARB scan here, right now they have 3,076 holders, so they're off to a good start here. 18 decimal places, and they have a couple other links on here. It looks like they have a LinkedIn that you could find on their ARB scan. They have a Telegram, Twitter, Discord, white paper, contact email, Medium articles as well, and their webpage. And yeah, 18 decimal places on this token. So their Twitter at AiEMOJI ARB has 10,900 Twitter followers. So they're doing pretty well on there. And they just joined in April 2023. So it's a brand new project. 62 tweets so far. So welcome to AiEMOJI. AiEMOJI is a surprise. It says, tired of tasteless doges, pepes, and other animal coins? It's time for emojis to reclaim their territory. AiEMOJI will always be with you, appearing in your everyday as if you were chatting. So that's what it says on their white paper anyways. It seems like this may be translated the way it kind of, I had to correct some grammar there. So emojis are the most popular universal expression in the world. It is popular on various social platforms and various electronic devices. In fact, it has become a language, even beyond language, and across races. This is true. The emoji family has hundreds of expressions, and the number is increasing every year. The world sends more than 70 billion emoji expressions every year. Emojis have become a consensus and culture around the world. AiEMOJI is a great attempt to bring emojis into the Web3 world. It will be applied into all aspects of life, just as we use emojis to communicate every day. AiEMOJI is the most valuable member of the ARBITRUM ecosystem. It is innovating and revolutionizing AI, NFT payments, and social networking. This is a great experiment in Web3. AiEMOJI is not just a meme coin. It's the ultimate community for AI emoji meme lovers, with AI emoji AI crypto lovers alike. One of those is AiEMOJI, a revolutionary crypto project that aims to combine the power of memes and artificial intelligence to take people to the moon at the speed of light. The iconic face with tears of joy has become everyone's favorite emoji in the world, and it is at the heart of our community. So AiEMOJI, the evolved form of the laughing, crying face, the tears of joy, has become incredibly a powerful tool in the realm of AI. When its advanced neural networks and machine learning capabilities, AiEMOJI is capable of doing things that were once considered impossible for humans. So AiEMOJI will be used as a universal token and circulated in the AiEMOJI ecosystem. Using our products will consume AiEMOJI tokens, and you'll be rewarded with AiEMOJI for using the products. For example, AiEMOJI can accurately analyze vast amounts of data to detect patterns that would be impossible for humans to recognize. This makes it a valuable tool in the industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and data analysis. AiEMOJI can interact with humans in ways that was once only possible through human-to-human communication. Its ability to understand tone and context allows it to carry out natural and empathetic conversations, making it a valuable asset in customer service and support roles. In addition, AiEMOJI can also be used to create a more personalized experience for users. By analyzing a user's behavior and preferences, AiEMOJI can suggest products, services, and content that are tailored to the individual needs and interests. But perhaps most impressive of all, AiEMOJI has the ability to learn and evolve on its own, making it a valuable tool in the ongoing development of AI technology. As AiEMOJI continues to evolve and improve, there's no telling what kind of groundbreaking developments it may bring out in the future. So that's basically in a nutshell what this project's all about. Now, 55% of the tokens go to airdrops, 15% of the tokens go to marketing, 5% goes to the market maker, 10% AiEMOJI fund, 10% central exchange listings, and 5% reserve. Some of those tokens are vested from 24 to 36 months. No taxes. LP was burnt. Contract renounced. 100% of the tokens will be allocated to the community. It is that simple. Now, on their roadmap, they're starting with launch, then CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listings, get them trending. Phase 2 is going to be partnerships, newsletter, token-gated Discord groups, central exchange listings, more holders. Then we're going to come out with AiEMOJI NFTs, software tools, a lab, and Twitter support for AiEMOJI rewards. And then last phase is going to be integrate various electronic devices, become a cultural symbol in the field of Web3, appear in all aspects of life, and then fly to Mars. This is very much a meme token in my opinion. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.